Hello, welcome back. So in this lecture we will be looking at how to save files in SolidWorks. To start, let's open back the last file we were working on, the shaft arm, and click open. So now there are different alternatives and options you have to save a file in SolidWorks. The first is you can press Ctrl S to save your file. Another option is you can press the save button up here to save it, and another option is you can come into the file and click save. But for this project, this lecture we will be looking at a different type of save. So we would go into the file and we'll do the save as. So the save as is we want to save another file type as this part, but we don't want to overwrite this part. So we would say, let's name it shaft arm 1, and we will click the save as and continue. So that means the SolidWorks is going to save this file as shaft arm 1, but it's going to continue working on this part, which is still the shaft arm. So we can do save, and as you can see, the shaft arm is still up here. It has saved another file type as shaft arm 1, but we're still working in this file type. So let's go back into the file again. We'll do save as, and this time we want to do, and you can see in our folder it has shaft arm 1 in there. So in this folder again, let's do another save as and 2. We want to do shaft arm 2, but this time we want to do save as copy and open. So what that means is it's gonna save this shaft arm as shaft arm 2, and it's gonna open this shaft arm 2. So we click save, and as you can see, it has saved the part file as shaft arm 2, which is up here, and it has opened it for us. When you work in assembly and you are trying to copy some file or working with different files in assembly, you will use the save as copy a lot. So that's just something to keep in mind. So those are the different ways you save in SolidWorks. You can save from here, Ctrl S, or you can go into the part file and do the different save as. And that is pretty much it, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.